Hi, Mama and Sir. Good afternoon. My name is Gina Dovero Whiting. I am 42 years old, married, don't have yet children. Currently living in the Philippines. My last work was last year. I was working in Kuwait for 2 years. I finished my contract and I was only assigned to do the housework because I have a companion to do the other work. And I have experience as well looking after the children. I was tutoring the children, age 1 year old to 3 years old, cooking food especially for her, playing with her, sending her to school, and pick her up. And then I also do cooking for everybody, Chinese food. I do marketing, cooking, cleaning, and doing all the house chores. In Macau, I also look after three Siberian Husky and one elderly woman, 65 years old. I finished my contract for 2 years and I do cleaning, cooking, and doing all the house chores. And in Hong Kong, I was working only for 1.5 years because of my musician artist employer. We didn't get along together, so we have a misunderstanding, and I decided to break my contract. And thank you so much, Mom. And I hope that this time I can work with you and with your family. Thank you. Bye.